Why Snagit is the best screen capture tool I've used in 10 plus years. In my decade plus of tech experience, Snagit is hands down one of the best screen capture and image editing tools I've ever used. In this video, I'll explain why it's become an essential part of my toolkit. Snagit is software designed specifically for capturing, editing, and sharing screenshots. You can grab full screens, select specific regions, or even record your screen. But it really shines thanks to the powerful built-in image editor. I use Snagit to create custom graphics, blur sensitive info, combine images, and more. Here are a few of the key reasons Snagit is so invaluable. Robust screen capture capabilities, advanced editing tools like blurring, arrows, text screen recording, and GIF creation, template library for common graphics, seamless sharing to docs, social media, etc. It has everything you need in one place. I've been using it for over 10 years now to create images for work, side projects, and YouTube. Snagit costs $50 for a standard license, but you can try it free for 15 days. Well worth the price for the huge time savings and flexibility it provides. For image and video creators, Snagit is an essential tool that will seriously boost your productivity. Check out the link in the description to try it yourself. Those are my thoughts on why Snagit is a must-have for screen capturing, graphics creation, and more. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and let me know your favorite Snagit features in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more software tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.